As the evening unfolds, I find myself drawn to the river's edge. There's something about flowing water. It carries away thoughts, like leaves drifting downstream, leaving behind a quiet stillness. For me, nature is not just a place to visit. It's a source of energy. Some find strength in the mountains, others in the trees. But for me, water is where I recharge. Its movement calms my mind. Its reflections remind me to flow with life rather than resist it. This idea, absorbing energy from nature, is not new. In Japan, there's a practice called Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. It's about immersing yourself in the presence of trees, allowing their quiet wisdom to restore your energy. The same can be done by the water, feeling its coolness in the air, listening to its gentle rhythm, and letting its presence fill you with calm. Walking here, I let my senses take in everything. The soft breeze, the golden glow of the setting sun, the ripples in the river. With each step, I feel lighter, more connected, more present. Maybe you too have a place like this, a spot where the world quiets down, and you can simply be. If not, perhaps watching this can bring you a moment of stillness, a reminder that nature is always there, ready to restore and refresh us.